Welcome to my channel. My name is Damien, but my channel's name is PsycaTech-Solutions. Today I want to show you this AI tool that you can use to create PowerPoint documents from scratch or from a previously created document, and then you just feed this AI with that document, and then it will create an amazing PowerPoint for you. You can also start from afresh, or you can just give it a title and then the sections, subheadings that you want, and then this AI will do it for you. So the name of the AI tool is called Gamma PowerPoint. It's called Gamma PowerPoint. So you click on it. So when it does that, what you need to do is either you want to paste in text or you want to import a file. So you click on import or paste text. Paste text is maybe you have a document and then you just copy the content of the document, then you paste it here. Upload or import is you just have a document created and then you want to put it there. Generate is maybe you want to start from afresh, you have a topic in mind, so maybe you can start generate. Any of these options are gonna work for you. So assuming we are to generate assuming we are to generate, so you basically choose the number of cards. You can go up to 10, but if you want beyond that, it means you have to pay. So let's just limit it to the 8, and then you can choose the style, which is either traditional, you want it to be tall, you want it to be default. Let's maintain default. Now we are creating a PowerPoint presentation, so we have to maintain the presentation. We are not using web page, we are not using this document, we are using presentation, so you just leave it as such. Then you describe or you write the title of the document you want to create. Let's just say, for example, we want a presentation on causes of teenage pregnancy in the global south. Let's say let me say Namibia. So I want causes of teenage pregnancy in Namibia. Yeah, this is just an example. So Namibia, people, don't be offended. So you just create generate outline. You see, and then they will all be put into these cards. Now what you can do is to look at the outline. Is this something that you want? Is this something that you can change, delete one of them? Is it something you can maintain? If so, if you are okay, you can add a manual card. We had 8, so we can add a manual card, and then you input things there manually. You can also choose a theme, how you would want them to appear. So you can just select this for an example. When you select that one, the theme will affect the content and the appearance of your PowerPoint. So you can choose any of these things to try. And then you want it to be detailed, you want it to be medium, you want it to be brief. So you can leave it medium. You can also make it detailed. Detail means that you want almost the relevant content to be there. You can put it there. You want AI images to be there, so you can choose automatic stock web page images. So the web page images is going to take images from Namibia, relevant images from Namibia, and then some images of teenagers being pregnant and all of that. And then the image license is AI images, or we can say free to use commercially, free to use commercially. AI, all images, yeah, stuff like that. Then you just do what? Generate. You can feel free to explore any feature that you want, but basically we are using the free version. That's why we have 320 credits. So if you want more features, you can pay, and it is not huge. So you see, it is generating our outline. It's generating our outline for us. This tool is very good. It makes your work easier and faster. As I said earlier on, you could just import your document, your proposal document, and then you want to summarize it in PowerPoint, or maybe your scholarly document. Maybe you are a lecturer, a teacher, and then you want to put your lesson notes into PowerPoint so that your students can easily digest whatever is being discussed. You can just put them, you can just use this AI tool. It's amazing, and it can do so many features if you want to. This is a highly productive tool. It cuts down the time that you use to generate, to type all of those things. I think in this age of AI, we should not be struggling to do all of these things. So you can just get back to the prompt, or you just explore what we have just generated. And there are up to 8 cards. So when we scroll down, there are going to be 8 cards. There are 8 cards. You can choose to present. You can change the theme. You can edit the theme. You can choose to present it. Presentation view, so that we see our document. This is how our document is. See, these are the images it has taken from AI. AI has generated. So yeah. So basically, if I play it, if I take it back and then I play it, if I play it, it's going to show almost all the things that I wanted to show. So you see, it's showing you the slides. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll exit from this one, and then I'll just do what? I'll just what is it? I'll just export it. You can share it. You can export it by clicking here. You see export. Then you choose either you want to export to PDF, export to PowerPoint, export to Google. So when you do this, that ends it. So if you just click on export, it's going to create it for you. So that is it. I don't want to make this long. Just want to show you that there are amazing AI tools there. It's done. So when I click here, I'll find it, or I can also find it from my downloads folder. Have you seen it here? It's been downloaded. I can find it in my download folder. When I click this one, here it is. You see? Yeah. So almost all the slides are there. It's giving you a presentation. It will even tell you, okay, you're this, you're that, yeah. So yep. Thank you. If you want more contents like this, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I have an amazing content that I've been giving to you. A lot of things that will help you in terms of productivity, and not just that. Tech hubs So kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.